Welcome to our roundup of the best wet-dry vacuum cleaner options. Whether you are cleaning up workshop dust, spilled liquids, garage debris, or everyday household messes, a reliable wet-dry vacuum can make the job much faster and easier. These versatile machines are designed to handle both dry dirt and liquid spills without losing suction power. Today, we have selected some of the most dependable wet-dry vacuums that combine strong suction, durable construction, smart storage, and user-friendly features. We will walk through each model's highlights, including motor power, tank capacity, portability, noise level, and convenience features that make cleanup effortless. Whether you need something compact for quick jobs or a heavy-duty vacuum for larger projects, there is an option here for you. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals on all the products featured in this video. Let's jump right in and find the perfect wet-dry vacuum cleaner for your needs. The first on the list is the DeWalt 10-gallon Stealth Sonic Shop Vacuum. If you are looking for a powerful wet-dry vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleanup tasks, this model is built to deliver. The DeWalt 10-gallon Stealth Sonic is designed with Stealth Sonic noise reduction, powerful 5 peak horsepower motor, and large 10-gallon capacity, making it a strong choice for garages, workshops, and construction environments. Right from the start, the large 10-gallon tank allows you to tackle bigger cleaning tasks without constantly stopping to empty the container. This makes it especially useful for people who work in woodworking shops, construction areas, or garages where large volumes of dust and debris accumulate quickly. The 5 peak horsepower motor provides impressive suction strength that can pick up heavy debris such as wood chips, screws, nails, and even liquid spills with ease. One of the standout features of this vacuum is the Stealth Sonic noise reduction system. Traditional shop vacuums can be extremely loud, which can make long cleaning sessions uncomfortable. Overall, the DeWalt 10-gallon Stealth Sonic shop vacuum delivers powerful suction, quieter performance, and a large capacity that makes it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning jobs in workshops and garages. Next up is the VacMaster Professional VDK 811PW Wet Dry Vac. When it comes to balancing performance and versatility, the VacMaster Professional VDK 811PW stands out as a reliable all-around cleaning machine. This model is designed with powerful 5.5 peak horsepower odor, large 8-gallon tank, and integrated hose storage, making it well-suited for both home and professional cleaning tasks. The powerful motor generates strong suction that can easily handle dirt, sawdust, construction debris, and even liquid spills. Whether you are cleaning a workshop floor, clearing out a car interior, or handling a basement spill, this vacuum provides the power needed to get the job done efficiently. The 8-gallon tank size strikes a great balance between capacity and portability. It's large enough to manage significant cleanup tasks without constantly emptying, but still compact enough to move around easily. This makes it practical for homeowners who want a powerful shop vacuum without dealing with the bulk of larger models. Another helpful feature is the integrated hose storage system. Many shop vacuums leave hoses dangling or difficult to manage, but this design allows the hose to wrap neatly around the unit. This not only keeps your workspace organized, but also prevents the hose from getting damaged during storage. Overall, the VacMaster Professional VDK 811PW Wet Dry Vac offers strong suction, practical storage features, and a balanced size that makes it an excellent choice for both home workshops and everyday cleanup jobs. Next, we have the DeWalt 6-gallon Stealth Sonic Wet Dry Shop Vac. For people who want a powerful wet-dry vacuum in a slightly more compact form, the DeWalt 6-gallon Stealth Sonic delivers impressive performance without taking up too much space. It features Stealth Sonic quiet technology, 5 peak horsepower motor, and compact 6-gallon tank, making it ideal for garages, small workshops, and home maintenance tasks. Despite its smaller size, the motor still delivers strong suction thanks to its powerful motor. It easily handles sawdust, dirt, drywall debris, and liquid spills. The 6-gallon tank provides enough capacity for most medium-sized cleaning tasks while keeping the unit easy to move and store. The Stealth Sonic technology once again plays an important role in reducing noise levels. This makes a noticeable difference during operation, especially if you're cleaning indoors or working in a shared space where excessive noise can be disruptive. Mobility is another area where this vacuum performs well. The unit includes durable swivel casters and a balanced handle design that make it easier to roll around a garage or workspace. Even when the tank is full, it moves smoothly without tipping over. Overall, the DeWalt 6-gallon Stealth Sonic Shop vacuum delivers powerful suction, quieter performance, and a large capacity that makes it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning jobs in workshops and garages. Next, the VacMaster Professional Beast Series VFB511H. As the name suggests, the VacMaster Professional Beast Series is designed to deliver serious cleaning power. This model features 5.5 peak horsepower motor, heavy-duty 5-gallon tank, and high-efficiency filtration system, making it an excellent option for demanding cleaning environments. The powerful motor provides strong suction that allows the vacuum to pick up heavy debris, dust, and liquid spills with ease. Whether you are working in a workshop, garage, or renovation project, this vacuum has the performance needed to handle tough cleanup jobs. The 5-gallon tank may sound smaller compared to some other models, but its durable construction makes it perfect for heavy-duty use. The compact size also improves portability, allowing you to carry it around more easily without sacrificing cleaning power. One of the standout aspects of this vacuum is its high-efficiency filtration system. This system helps capture fine dust particles that would normally escape standard filters. As a result, the air in your workspace stays cleaner while you vacuum. Overall, the VacMaster Professional Beast Series VFB511H offers impressive suction power, reliable filtration, and durable construction, making it a strong choice for users who need a tough and dependable wet-dry vacuum. The last one on our list is the Craftsman 2.5-gallon wet-dry vac. If you're searching for a compact and highly portable wet-dry vacuum for quick cleaning jobs, this model is a fantastic option. The Craftsman 2.5-gallon wet-dry vac is designed with compact portable design, 2.5 peak horsepower motor, and convenient carry handle, making it perfect for small spaces and quick cleanups. The lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry around the house, garage, or even in your car trunk. Whether you're cleaning vehicle interiors, small spills, or tight spaces, this vacuum is designed for convenience. Despite its small size, the motor still provides respectable suction power. It can easily pick up dirt, crumbs, dust, and minor liquid spills, making it useful for everyday cleaning tasks. For people who need a quick solution without setting up a large shop vacuum, this model works extremely well. The 2.5-gallon tank is ideal for small messes. While it's not meant for massive cleanup projects, it excels in situations where portability and convenience matter more than large capacity. Overall, the Craftsman 2.5-gallon wet-dry vac delivers portability, simplicity, and reliable cleaning power, making it an excellent choice for quick household tasks and small cleanup jobs. So, that wraps up our list of the best wet-dry vacuum cleaner options available right now. Each of these models offers a unique balance of power, capacity, and portability, so the right choice will depend on your cleaning needs. If this video helped you decide, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful product reviews and buying guides. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.